get it. Bye. Oh. How you doing? I got Mario Brothers.
Really? It was here? I totally didn't even look for it.
$2. I got it. I'll get you a copy. So I've been a video. I've been lacking on some Juan, not Nino, Bracero videos.
It's got some movies. Body of Lies,
Oh snap.
Leonardo DiCaprio, Russell Crowe, Soul Man, which I watched, which is really funny, wanted to keep. Disney Pixar's Up, good copy. And Babe, I lost mine, so I had to buy a new one. Curious Case of Benjamin Button.
Love.
Mail that out to you.
That's love right
I was
there.
gonna mail it, but now I'm gonna wait till you get closer to coming back. Alright? Good story.
And if you want, you can have any copy of any of my movies. And I can't name them all because it's ridiculous. Oh yeah.
What's he doing?
I'm still recording. I have no idea what he's doing.
Back, Matt, son?